The Aixam 500 is a compact, lightweight, and efficient microcar designed for urban commuting. Here are some key details about the Aixam 500. General information. Manufacturer: Aixam, part of the Aixam Mega Group, a French manufacturer of microcars. Category: Microcar quadricycle. Production years: the Aixam 500 has been produced in various iterations over the years, with updates to design and features. Design and features. Body style: typically available as a two-door, coupe or crossover style microcar. Seating capacity: to passengers. Some models may have limited rear seating. Dimensions: compact size, making it ideal for city driving and parking. Length: approximately 2.3 to 2.5 meters. Width: around 1.4 to 1.5 meters. Height: roughly 1.4 to 1.5 meters. Weight: lightweight, usually under 500 kilograms. Engine and performance. Engine options: diesel or petrol engines. Earlier models. Electric versions available in recent years, for example, Aixam 500. Power output: typically around 4 to 6 kilowatts, 5 to 8 horsepower for combustion engines, and up to 12 to 15 kilowatts, 16 to 20 horsepower for electric models. Top speed: limited to 45 kilometers per hour, 28 miles per hour, in some regions to comply with quadricycle regulations. Transmission: often equipped with a CVT, continuously variable transmission, or automatic transmission. Fuel efficiency: combustion models, extremely fuel efficient, with consumption around 2 to 3 liters per 100 kilometers. Electric models, zero emissions, with a range of approximately 80 to 100 kilometers, 50 to 60 miles on a full charge. Licensing and regulations. Driving license: in many countries, the Aixam 500 can be driven with a lower category license, for example, AM license in Europe, due to its low power and speed. Safety features. Basic safety features, including seat belts and sometimes airbags, but not as robust as standard passenger cars. Target market: urban commuters, ideal for short-distance travel in cities. Eco-conscious drivers. Electric models appeal to those looking for sustainable transportation. Young drivers, often marketed to younger drivers who may not yet have a full driving license. Price: affordable, generally priced lower than conventional cars, making it an accessible option for budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for specific details about a particular model year or variant, let me know.